Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin. We have got the sneak peek for October 14th fire sale, so let's head on over. These, I think, are the coolest things ever. These are prize ball ornaments. You unravel them and there's more than a dozen different prizes inside the little crepe paper. Then you can use the streamers to decorate. $10 for number one. Number two is a gaming headset for various different platforms. You can use it on PS4, Xbox, multiple different things, PC. $25, we have two of those available. Number three is the Wholesale straightening brush, $17.50, two of those available. Number four is a pastel pen set, $5. We have five available. Number five is the walkie-talkie. It is green camouflage. $15. Five of those available. Number six is the hummingbird chime. Beautiful hummingbird chime. Sounds really pretty. $10. Three of those available. Number seven is the Chef Basics cutlery set. $7.50. Five different pieces in that. Number eight is the Stompies dinosaur. It is shoe size 11.5 to 2 for toddler up to big boy or big girl size. So 11.5 to 2 for the Stompies dragon set. Then number nine is the bird chime, $10 for the bird chime, three of those available. Number 10 is the Trek Light microfiber towel, extra large, 54 inches by 25 inches, $7.50, three of them available. Number 11 is the So Clean device cleaner. It disinfects and sanitizes, $50 for that. Number 12 is the geometric fanny pack or hip pouch, $7.50, three of those available. Number 13 is the $7.50, five of those available. It's a DIY, kind of a Build-A-Bear. Number 14 is a pet fountain. So really nice pet fountain, stainless steel, $15, three of those available. Number 15 is a Don't Tread on Me knife that comes in this cool tin, and that is $5 for number 15. Number 16 are Girl Temporary Tattoos by Melissa and Doug, five of those available at $5 a piece. Number 17 are the Boy Tattoos at $5, five of those available as well. Number 18 are the cool bronze wire pumpkins, perfect for decorating for Thanksgiving, $20, three of those available. Number 19 is the collapsible cutting board. It could be a bowl. It could be a cutting board. It's really, really awesome. You can even use it as a strainer with a drain in the bottom. $12.50 for the collapsible cutting board. Then we're going to go on over to our other table here. And number 20 is the 10-piece cooking set. $80 for the 10-piece Denmark cooking set, nonstick aluminum cookware. Number 17 is... Number 21 is the copper square pan at 8.5 inches, $5, five of those available. Number 22 is the leaf dangle earrings that are silver in color, $7.50, four of those available. Number 23 are the etched leaf earrings that are golden color, $7.50, five of those available. Number 24 is the star projector, perfect for indoors, and you can project stars all over the walls, $12.50, three of those available. Number 25 is the hot cocoa and coffee bar sign, $12.50, metal sign, two of those available. Number 26 is the flying monkey sign, $12.50, two of those available. Number 27 is the water sports bottle, purple in color with the grips on the side, $10, two of those available. Number 28 is the Lumera candle ornament. It's a cool bulb that comes with a Lumera battery operated candle and cool decorations. So it's like an ornament, $15, five of those available. Number 29 is the 250 lumen multifunction flashlight, $10, five of those available. Number 30 is the Pledge to America sign, $12.50, two of those available. Oh wait, that is it. I was about to tell you number 31, but nobody gets to know that till the actual fire sale day. So hopefully you see something you loved, and we'll see you at the fire sale at noon Central Standard Time every Thursday right here at hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.